Alright, what is up everyone? My name is Chris and today, this is definitely a different video. I've never done one of these before. I feel like an actual YouTuber who literally makes videos sitting at a desk, which is really what I do. But I'm going to be unboxing a hat that I ordered. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this box here, which I just posted not long ago, this box is a hat that I ordered online. And it's a Ffm93 hat, and I got it customized and stuff. I used to have one, but I got it autographed, and it was this one. I believe it was Joe Watson and Bob Kelly who autographed it. And this was a nice one, but obviously you can see it's like a little beat up. It's got some stains on it and stuff. I've had it for a couple years. It still fits me fine. Like I can like still wear it and everything. And one of the reasons I like it is because it's got the old logo. I don't know, probably not many of you. There's probably none at all. But I don't know if any of you have been watching me for that long to remember when I had that logo. That was a long time ago. But now we've changed and there's a bunch of stuff. So this one doesn't have a logo on it. It's kind of just like printing, but it looks really cool. So let's stop talking. Let's open up this box, shall we? I'm just gonna attempt to not cut myself here with this knife because that's gonna be good. All right, here we go. Got it in a bag. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice hat. Look at this. Like, that is unbelievably nice. It's got the classics on the inside. It's funny because the old one has that too. I guess it's the same. It's not the same company. I went through a different company, but I guess it's the same type of hat. Yeah, it's Yupong or I'm assuming that's Yupong. I swear to God, there's a lot of times I butcher names, but this is a nice hat. This is like that is unbelievably nice. Like that's gorgeous. That is so nice. And it really wasn't that bad price wise either. It definitely was affordable. It wasn't like it was anything outrageous. This one, I think when I got it, it was like, I think it was like close to like $50. I don't even know why I got it. I was really young. But even still, I mean, I'm probably not gonna be doing merch or anything like that. I kind of just got this for myself. If I ever get a bigger fan base and obviously get some money and stuff, I probably would start doing that at some point. But as of right now, probably not. But I just want to thank you guys for all the support and everything you've been giving me recently over the last. Really this whole season has just been unreal. I mean, the views have gone up, the subscribers have gone up. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's gone up a lot. It's crazy because I never really expected it to get like this. I kind of just thought it would be like, you know, like a little like thing. Kind of just like a hobby I would do, but I never thought it would be like this. But I love doing this stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos and everything. I got another video coming. The forwards predictions, or sorry, not predictions, the grades, the forward grades. I'm starting to lose my mind. The forward grades, those are coming. And I already have it done. I just have to edit it and stuff like that. And I think I might try to add some highlights into it. I'm not really sure yet because the last time I did a thing with highlights, I got like a couple copyright claims. So I'm not going to be really doing that many highlights anymore if it's in the NHL. The only time you really don't is if you do guys who aren't drafted or because it's then claimed by the NHL. So it's just a big mess. But again, I thank you guys for all the support. Remember, podcast, articles, those links are on my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.